Today we're going to be working on this old Evinrude. I love these old flathead bolts. Go ahead and take these spark plugs out. I don't know if you can see it. It is a little discolored, but hopefully that was just from over time. Nice and oily, but not rusted, so that's a good thing. Whenever you go to take these carbs apart, just do yourself a favor. Take your phone out, snap a couple pictures from all the angles. That way you remember where everything goes, and put it back together. There's a bunch of different stuff going on with this carb, but if you just look, there's two main bolts. There's one here, 7/16, because this was back when stuff was made here in the States. So it's all gonna be SAE. So we're gonna go ahead and get those two off, and then we'll mess with the carb. Got this thing pretty much down to bare bones. Doesn't even look like anything they would make in today's world, but flywheel's on. That's pretty much it. Probably gonna check the impeller, but we're gonna go over here and check the carb. We're gonna clean out the fuel tank, clean this up. It's actually clean. The gas does smell old though, so probably should have done this anyway. It looks like the gasket's fairly new. Just don't want to mess it up. Oh, look at that. It's coming right off. Yeah, I think this gasket's definitely been replaced. It's a good thing it's not coming off. So right off the bat, man, super clean. Just smells like old fuel, but I wonder if the last fuel that was running this didn't have ethanol in it, because that's what it's looking like. I mean, it is. Outside's dirty, but the inside's flawless. So we're gonna dip it in the ultrasonic just to get this crap off the outside and hopefully not mess up this. This looks like it's copper. Oh man. Oh no, it's brass. But yeah, we're gonna dip it in and see what it can do. Well, you don't have to clean it just to see if it'll run. I always like to, because if I'm going to sell them, I like things to be clean. We're going to go ahead and plug this hole with some paper towel. I'm going to be using Carburetor cleaner to clean all of this, but just to keep unavoidable junk out of there. Nylon brush. I don't want to use a metal brush on the paint because it's already chipping away, and I want to keep what's left of it. Looks a lot better than what it was. Put some fuel in it, see if it leaks. We got about a gallon of gas in here. I picked up some TCW3 two-stroke oil. This motor calls for 24 to 1, which is about 5 ounces. It's a 32-ounce bottle, so I'm just gonna drop it down here to 27 and yeah, get this guy going. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, come on, baby. far as that's concerned, it's a wrap. I would take it out, but I live in lovely California, and the closest lake I could use this at is 2 hours away from me, so that ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna throw it up on Marketplace. Probably not gonna sell it for much, but it runs, so there's that. Isn't that right, Bubba? What you doing? Anyway, that's that.